My name is Jarkko Pellikka. I'm leading R&D collaboration in Nokia. In Nokia, we heavily rely on strategic collaboration with our ecosystem partners. In order to solve some of these major challenges that we face today, we need to rely on our collaborators and also try to seek opportunities how we can combine core competencies. Together with University of Jyväskylä, we are very eager to define the areas, projects, initiatives, what we can offer for the students. Like said earlier, in order to solve some of the challenges related to productivity and sustainability, it provides a lot of areas, complex challenges, opportunities, where we actually should join forces. And we strongly think that this is especially the area how we can effectively combine educational strengths from the university side as well as the latest industrial insights from our side. And that's the core of the strategic partnerships together with University of Jyväskylä. And I think that creates a great basis for the students to join some of the state-of-the-art research initiatives.